Good night, teacher. In this video, I tell you a short summary about reading color in nature. Okay. The full spectrum of color is a naturally occurring phenomenon. House can be found in our environment. Some pigments play different roles in nature, such as the green of chlorophyll. Color is produced only when molecule absorbs light and its electrons resonate with the frequency of the incoming wavelengths. Colors and animals. Animals can see in a variety of shades and hues. The color in animals is determined by pigment groups. Melanin produces browns and blacks. The coloration in animals can be categorized depending upon the function it serves the organisms. Aposematic or wearing coloration is the use of bold and high contrast coloration in animals that projects if they are dangerous or not. These fascinating displays of color can be found of birds, feathers, butterflies, wings, shells, and insects. The butterflies are the wonderful flashes of color seen on the wings of butterflies, come from pigments on the powdered scales that cover the wings. Butterflies see not only red, blue, green, and violet, but ultraviolet as well. Unlike human vision, the butterflies identify themselves by their ultraviolet markings. Ultraviolet colors are iridescent and appear to flicker in light. This played an important role in butterflies' behavior and communication. The rainbows. Rainbows are visible to a column of light that is reflected into your eyes by falling raindrops. When light passes through a prince or drop of water at angle, it reflects or bends. Each of the colors that make up white light bend at a different angle. This vary because different colors to bend at different amounts. Some colors bend more than others. An important fact is that rain is not the only thing that creates rainbows, also called lake rivers. Sunrise and sunset. Some color scalar